This is Prashant from Tech and Training Corporate Solutions Private Limited with a new video on DMIN and DMAX function. So this function is basically used for finding out the minimum value based on certain criteria or the maximum value based on the criteria. So here the condition is I want to find out the minimum earning if the person's qualification is graduate. So let's begin. First of all, we need to select the cell where we want the answer. Then click on FX button and type your function name, that is DMIN, and click on go. After that, click OK button. You'll get a function argument screen where you can see 3 arguments are there: database, field, and criteria. So in database, you need to select the complete data. The field will be the heading of the earning column because we want to find out minimum value from this column only. So just need to select only G5 cell. So criteria is nothing but it's a criteria range. So criteria range means this is our criteria range, that is qualification graduate. Need to select both the cell. And please remember, Excel is highly spelling sensitive. You need to be very careful when you write the spelling of qualification and graduate. Now click OK to get the answer. I am getting 0 here. Let's see why. There are so many people who are graduate. But if you see, out of all graduate, only one is earning 0. So hence, the minimum earning is 0. But suppose if I change my condition to PhD, let's say if I type PhD and if I press enter, I am getting 1,20,000. Now why 1,20,000? There are 2 people whose qualification is PhD, and if you see 1,20,000 is the smallest value amongst all the earning under criteria PhD, and that's the reason here I'm getting 1,20,000. Similarly, if you want to find out the maximum earning if the qualification is PhD, then again we need to go to FX button after selecting this cell. Again type your function name, that is DMAX, and then click OK, then click on go button. Again same 3 argument: database, field, and criteria. Database as complete data, field as the heading of earning column, and criteria will be the criteria range, that is E1 to E2, and then click OK. You'll get the maximum earning is 2 lakh under the criteria PhD. That's it for now. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.